Hi. My name is Waleed. I will talk to you about the system calls. Question number 1. What is the system call? A system call is a mechanism that provides the interface between a process and the operating system. It is a programmatic method in which a computer program requests a service from the kernel of the OS. Question number 2. What is API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. In basic terms, APIs are a set of functions and procedures that allow for the creation of applications that access data and features of other applications, services, or operating systems. Good APIs make it easier to develop a computer program by providing all the building blocks, which are then put together by the programmer. The API is not the database or even the server, it is the code that governs the access points for the server. Question number 3. How an API related to a system call? The related to the system calls is that system call offers the services of the operating system to the user programs via API, Application Programming Interface. System calls are the only entry points for the kernel system. Question number 4. How is the system call received and handled by the operating system? Step 1. The process is executed in the user mode till the time a system call interrupts it. Step 2. After that, the system call is executed in the kernel mode on a priority basis. Step 3. Once system call execution is over, control returns to the user mode. Step 4. The execution of user process is resumed in kernel mode. Question number 5. What are the types of system calls? Number 1 is process control. Number 2 is device management. Number 3 is file management. Number 4 is information maintenance. Number 5 is communication. Process control. This system calls perform the task of process creation, process termination, etc. Functions is middle.end and abort, middle.load and execute, middle.create process and terminate process, middle.wait and signed event, middle.allocate and free memory. File management. File management system calls handle file manipulation jobs like creating a file, reading, and writing, etc. Functions is middle.create a file, middle.delete file, middle.open and close file, middle.read, write, and reposition, middle.get and set file attributes. Device management. Device management does the job of device manipulation like reading from device buffers, writing into device buffers, etc. Functions is middle.request and release device, middle.logically attach/detach devices, middle.get and set device attributes. Information maintenance. It handles information at its transfer between the OS and the user program. Functions is middle.get or set time and date, middle.get process and device attributes. Communication. These types of system calls are specially used for inter-process communications. Functions is middle.create, delete communications connections, middle.send, receive message, Middle.help OS to transfer status information. Middle.attach or detach remote devices. The question is finished. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.